In view of the surge in COVID-19 cases in the country, the State Health Department has asked the District Administration to relaunch vaccination initiative. Informing this, Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Sampath Kumar said that the government would give stress to cover those uncovered areas for vaccination. The Deputy Commissioners have been asked to relaunch the initiative of vaccination, he said, adding that the Health Department held an emergency meeting with the Deputy Commissioners of different districts in this regard. The centre has also raised a red flag by asking the 5 affected states to maintain a strict watch and take preemptive action if needed to control any emerging spread of the infection.
We would actually, we should cover all those uncovered for vaccination. That is something that, as I said, we have spoken to our deputy commissioners to really take us, again, relaunch that initiative of vaccination. Second is that we also require the health systems, basically to suppose in case if there is any surge, whether we be able to, support the patients. So that we have. Today we have pretty good infrastructure we have brought in, thanks to the efforts that we have made during the last year.
Due to heavy